I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the controller and removing batteries. This prevents shorting and accidental inputs. Once done, flip the controller and pop off the battery cover, then remove the AA cells or the rechargeable pack so you can access the shell. Next, use the appropriate Torx driver, T8 or T6 depending on model, and carefully remove the 5 screws. Place them in a small tray so none go missing. Make sure to note any warranty stickers you break as you proceed. Once the screws are out, you separate the shell using a plastic spudger to avoid marring the plastic. Work around the seams and release clips slowly. After opening, lift the faceplate and identify ribbon cables. Carefully unplug them using a fingernail or spudger so you do not tear the flex. Next, locate the joystick assembly on the main PCB. Note the connector orientation and the 3 solder joints if your stick is soldered. This keeps alignment correct during reassembly. To remove the joystick, either depress its retaining clip and unplug the connector, or, if soldered, heat each of the 3 pins with a soldering iron and lift the assembly. Do this on an ESD-safe surface to protect electronics. Once removed, fit the new joystick in the same orientation. Make sure the shaft sits flush and the connector clicks. Then reconnect ribbon cables, perform a functional test before sealing, and reassemble screws. If drift appears, recalibrate in console settings. If issues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.